Okay guys, let's create our Colab file. We create a new notebook and then let's go to Google Drive. Sorry, I know what. Okay, let's just call it what we're creating. First, model. Go to Drive. Why I have to every time sign in? I don't know. But it's Google, it's not important at all. Oh, I'm singing already. Okay, we go to data folder. Let's open another Colab file. We go to data folder, my drive. Let's create a folder. Create a new folder and call it YouTube. Let's go there. Okay, recent. What we have recent? I think we need this file. Let me put all the data here. Where is data? The data is here. Let's put that data up here. It's uploading. Let's see what untitled getting channel video, getting comment. One of them has the comment we want. We want something to read this file from our data. Let's see what we use. Not this. No, it's not. Okay, this is data. Here, what the thing that we want. Okay, let's go to our model file and data to CSV. No, PD dot read CSV. We need at first import pandas. I've forgotten as PD. Let's wait a little for kernel to connect. Okay, it's connected. Now we can say PD dot read CSV and we say my drive. Where this go? YouTube, YouTube, and then a slash all data dot CSV. Let's run it. Okay, we need to connect our Google Drive. Let's connect it. Okay, continue. I don't know why the net has gone, but it's not important as well. Wait a little. I have some network problem here. I'm gonna fix them and put the video back. Okay, the network problem has been fixed. Let's see what is the problem is. Okay, it says we don't need this anymore. Read CSV index. Oh, sorry, we didn't need this index. Let's save it in data here. Okay, no such a file is here. Let's go and see. All data has a 1 here. Now we imported our data. Okay, I tell you what we do next. In the next lesson